So let's have a look at your monkey. Hello, monkey. Hold on. Oh. Whoa! You can't throw a baby around like that. Let's see if she'll... We haven't got a banana bottle. Let's see if she'll suck my finger. She will suck my finger, look.
We need
She's sucking my finger.
I got a banana toothpaste. Maybe she wants to suck it.
Maybe. Hang her upside down and swing her. Because she likes that. Face her towards me. So I can see her. Because she blinks and stuff. Aww.
Is she blinking?
Aha. Should we see if we can get her to go to sleep?
Yeah.
Right, pick her up then. Pick her up and see if you can rock her to sleep again. Like you did a minute ago. Oh, put your legs down. Go to sleep, little monkey. Go to sleep. She's asleep, look. Oh, no, she isn't. She's falling asleep. You're putting a nappy on her. You're putting a nappy on her.
It actually fits her.
Yeah, it does. Right, she's really, 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 really cute. I'll put a nappy on her for you in a minute, okay?
No.
So sweet.
She needs
I will. Hang on. She got to sleep.
Yeah.
So cute. So cute. She's awake again. Mummy, mummy. Hello, mummy. Give her a big huggle. She's so cute. When she sits like this, she sits on the edge like this. Her little legs dangle, her little arms dangle.
She needs a nappy.
Look how cute she is.
She needs a nappy.
Hey, monkey.
She needs a nappy on. She needs a nappy. She needs a nappy.
I know, I'll do it in a second.
She needs it so much
Hey,
now.
give me kisses. Look at that, she's sucking me. You're so sweet.
So we put a nappy on her.
Yeah.
I know what I can do.
Right, come on, let's put a nappy on you. I don't think I can do it one-handed, so I'll have to turn this off. Saren, unless you just film this for me. Thank you. Right, just a second.
Yes, suck at my finger.
You're sucking your finger.
Yeah, do you need me to do
Let's
it?
put the nappy on you. You're meant to have a nappy on. These are not the ones, but it'll do. You're meant to have a nappy, little monkey. Meant to have a nappy, little monkey. So we'll put this one on. Oh,
Look, Dad, she's
there
sucking
you
my
go.
finger.
There. She's got a nappy on now, look. She's all safe to play with. There.
Can I put her outside?
There.
No, it's too
He's
wet.
nappy baby.
Look
Aww.
like a proper baby.
Yeah.
Can't leave
She's
her
got a nappy
anywhere,
on her
take
now,
outside
look.
or
Bless
anything
her.
like that.
What's the poking her in the eye?
No,
Poor baby.
I've got your book, Saren.
Why don't you rock her to sleep again?
What book?
Rock her to sleep. Rock-a-bye baby. Rainbows and sunshines.